En este video vamos a
In this video we are going to show you how we test the brake actuators developed in Cojali. These actuators and brake chambers are essential in order to ensure safety and stability in the brake system. Since we need to generate great braking power, it is necessary for the internal components to operate properly. For that reason, in the electromechanical engineering team we have developed a testing bench specifically for these products. This bench has an electric motor attached to a guided spindle, which fixes the rod position, and a load cell in charge of measuring the pushing force generated by the actuator. Besides, thanks to fully automatic control, the motor and sensor data are collected and displayed in a simple and precise graph. This type of automatisms help us to ensure that our product meets the acceptance criteria established by SAE J1469 or DIN 74060 standards. After this test, our actuators become apt for being assembled into the vehicle, ensuring optimal durability and performance.